Good evening, guys. This is Jad from Liquidity Hunters Academy. I hope you had good holidays, and I hope this year will bring you joy and happiness. I wish you a happy new year, guys. We're back into trading to nail 2024. This is a trade that we took live in the live stream on my Telegram channel. We already took the partials and we moved our stop into this area. Before I dive deeper into this trade, I would like first to nominate the giveaway winners. We have SFX Precision and Faizan. Both of them did win the giveaway. Each one of them will be receiving a 6K challenge from the leading prop firm in the industry, Funded Next. As you know, using your own money will have a higher cost than just taking challenges from funded companies ready to fund you with money to trade for them. Here, Funded Next, you can see they have from 6K to 200K accounts at very cheap prices, 1K for 200K and $59 for 6K accounts. You could use a one-step verification or two-step evaluation. So either a one-step or two steps, and you could trade on MT4 or MT5. And they provide swap or swap-free accounts for an extra fee. Also, they increased their lifetime payout to 95%. So you could benefit from 95% of the profits that you generate on the account. It is important to note, guys, that they pay out in 24 hours maximum, or they would pay you $1,000 extra. So, Funded Next is a trusted firm, the leading prop firm in the industry, and look at the spreads. Now I'm going to be showing you. For example, for indices, you do not pay commissions. You have very low spreads on indices. Most traded pairs, like the euro, spread is like almost raw spread, and you only pay $3 per lot as a commission. Therefore, if you want to buy for yourself an account and start your trading journey after ensuring that your strategy is on track and profitable, I suggest that you check Funded Next. I'm leaving in the description below the link to benefit from a 12% discount on your first purchase and a coupon code so you could benefit from an extra 5% whenever you buy an account. Without further ado, let's get back into the chart and understand how we took this trade. Today, I'm going to be talking about the inverted fair value gap. When a fair value gap fails to hold to the upside, and then we decide to take a trade based on it. So, by looking at gold, okay, these are my live charts. Okay, we can easily see that price created a low into this area. Okay, left behind the fair value gap, coming from this fair value gap, breaking structure here, returning inside of a fair value gap at these levels, and then pushing lower. On this day, we can notice here that this high was swept and we returned into the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. So moving to lower time frames like the 5 minutes, because we know our direction is bearish on the 1 hour so far, we swept this high and we started to move lower. So we disrespected this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap to move to the upside. So here, by going down, this fair value gap had to hold price to continue pushing higher, which didn't happen. In fact, what happened is that we got this fair value gap here disrespected after we closed this candle below the inverted fair value gap. And our entry comes directly at the opening of the gap. And we need to cover one extra PD array. In this case, we have the order block here that we need to cover. So I put my stop directly on the high of the IFVG. This left me behind with this move here. Now, if we go back to the 1 hour, we can easily notice that we got this big rejection. Price started to move to the downside, and we believe that price will be reaching these lows here to complete this model, this market maker model. So we need to be moving to the lows here. Therefore, I took partials at these levels. So if we go to the 5 minutes, you could easily see that after we closed this candle below, the body closed below of the fair value gap, the entry came here, stop at the high of the IFVG, and we started the move to the downside. From this leg, I took my premium and discount. Okay, so this is the 50%. So I was sure that we will be collecting these two somehow equal lows because here we have like clear liquidity here to here. This is clear liquidity. And therefore, at the 50%, you could have collected the low hanging fruit. Instead of just collecting the low hanging fruit, I decided to hold the trade because I was really bearish on the gold. And this is why I took this fair value gap and I collected at the top of it 50%. So once I did collect here the 50% after this huge drop, we can see that here this fair value gap was respected, giving a second entry for people that missed the first trade and started to drop. After that, price moved up into this high, created a sort of equal highs, and then dropped into our partials. We collected our partials, and this is where I moved my stop first into break even, and then I decided to lock around 2R as well by moving my stop into this area and holding till we move to the downside. Tomorrow we have CPI, and on CPI we will have a big move. If you look here, for example, on the daily chart, you could notice that from the beginning of the week, price, we had this low and we have this high, price was inside of this range. And now we're near this one. So maybe we could get a move into here and then a big move to the upside. This is it, guys. I don't want to make this look too long for you. This is a quick video. Congrats again to the winners. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one and suggest me some video ideas to make them. Also, I will be providing more giveaways in the coming video. I will be posting this video on my Twitter and on my Telegram. Please make sure to check my Telegram. Link is here and in the description. Make sure to be available there. We do some live tradings. I provide one-on-one mentorship. I provide VIP signals and some very nice collab with Funded Next, where I would be providing 2 or 3 6K accounts going forward. And I would like every one of you to benefit from 2024 and make it into financial freedom. This is it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Good night.